Group 6 created a project dedicated to understanding the relationship between the characteristics of a model and the type of women's personal care product they advertise.
In a society governed by appearances, depictions of beauty are displayed everywhere. General standards of beauty are often set by the images of women depicted in the media. Many of these depictions are presented in the form of advertisements for personal care products, such as hair care products, skin care products, cosmetics, and fragrances.
Although these images are displayed in a variety of outlets, women's fashion magazines are overwhelmingly filled with advertisements for personal care products. Fashion magazines have been around since the early 19th century. One of the best-selling and longest-standing of these is Glamour magazine. For this study, we rejected the idea of marketing bias in model selection. We sought to explain through our research how the physical characteristics of a model were used to advertise women's personal care products and how the characteristics of a typical model had changed over the 32-year frame of interest.
For our project, we asked the question, in advertisements for women's personal care products in Glamour magazine, what is the relationship between the characteristics of a model and the type of personal care product being advertised, and how has the relationship changed over time? After determining our research question and our research method, we formulated our 10 hypotheses. The coding sheet for this study was designed to clearly outline the features of advertisement that was being coded, the year and the month of the magazine it was from, and who was coding it. 7 variables were to be coded for, which included age, product type, model notoriety, model ethnicity, hair color, eye color, and number of models in the ad. The sample was derived from advertisements for women's personal care products that appeared in Glamour magazine from years 1985 to 2007. A constructed year was created by taking the first and sixth, second and seventh, third and eighth months from each year until a full year had been composed. Once all 12 months were represented, the process was repeated. Per magazine, all quotable full-page advertisements were used. We had 1,168 advertisements in the final sample, which were published in Glamour magazine from January 1985 to December 2007. Of these advertisements, 291 units were depicted hair care products, 274 advertisements were represented skincare products, 424 advertisements represented cosmetics, and 179 advertisements were for fragrances.
Overall, our study helped the researchers to gain a better understanding of magazine writing and the relationship between characteristics of model and the type of care product advertised. This information is relevant to all consumers of media information and would therefore benefit from future studies. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.